How do we measure if a country is rich or poor? Population? No. Land size? No. None of that. One number decides everything: GDP. Big country doesn't mean rich. Russia is one of the biggest countries on Earth, but GDP per person is very low. Most Russians earn less than you think. Size means nothing. Small country doesn't mean poor. Singapore is a tiny island, smaller than Bangkok, but one of the richest countries on Earth. Small size, massive wealth. More people doesn't mean richer. India has 1.4 billion. USA GDP is 10 times bigger. Population tells you nothing. GDP tells you everything. GDP measures everything a country produces in 1 year. You buy eggs, GDP goes up. Someone builds a house, GDP goes up. Government builds a road, every transaction counts. Singapore is a tiny island, GDP $500 billion, but GDP per person? Higher than USA. Average Singaporean is richer than average American. Mind-blowing, right? When GDP rises, jobs appear and salaries go up. When GDP falls, businesses close and people struggle. GDP is not just a number, it is your future. GDP is the real scorecard. Not size, not population, just one number. Followed education. Recession. Find out what happens when GDP goes negative.